day everyone! We're going to discuss to you the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. But before that, we're going to introduce ourselves first. I'm Janel P. Ceballos.
I'm James Gabriel Alpabara.
And I'm Troy Meras.
So the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship refers to its ability to return to an upright position after being tilted by external forces such as waves or wind. When the inclination is small, typically less than 10 degrees, the basic nomenclature used to describe initial stability includes the following key terms. GM, the metacentric height, which is the distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter. KG, the height of the center of gravity from the keel. KM, the height of the metacenter from the keel. KB, the height of the center buoyancy from the keel. GZ, the righting lever, which is the horizontal distance between the forces of weight and volume. B, the center of buoyancy. M, the metacenter. G, the center of gravity. O, the angle of heel.
Definition: the metacentric height is a measure of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. Initial stability. Initial stability is the resistance of a ship to small changes in the difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides.
Stability of a ship. Stability of a ship is tendency to return to its original upset state when an external force is applied to remove. Factors affecting stability: the shape of the hull, the draft, and the trim all affect the stability of a ship.